Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as nematode diseases. We are going to study this part of biology with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, which of the following is responsible for ochondrosacasis? A. Plasmodium falciparum. B. Ochondrosaca volvulus. C. Salmonella typhi. D. Plasmodium vivax. In this question, the correct answer is B. Ochondrosaca volvulus. Ochondrosaca volvulus is a nematode that causes a disease called ochondrosacasis. Studies have shown that this disease is highly observed in an environment where there are a lot of water bodies, because the insect vector that spread this disease survive where there are water. So this disease is a protozoan disease transmitted by an insect vector. But the pathogen responsible for this disease is called Ochondrosaca volvulus. The next question says, ochondrosacasis is also known as dash. A. Night blindness. B. River blindness. C. Malaria. D. Typhoid fever. In this question, the correct answer is B. River blindness. This disease known as ochondrosacasis is also called river blindness, and we have said that this disease is transmitted by an insect vector, but the pathogen is called ochondrosaca. So when someone is talking about ochondrosacasis, he or she is talking about river blindness. The next question says, the causative agent of loasis is dash. A. Eyeworm. B. Plasmodium. C. Amoeba. D. Paramecium. In this question, the correct answer is A. Eyeworm. Studies have shown that there is a disease called loasis. This disease called loasis is caused by a nematode called eyeworm. The next question says, which of the following diseases is transmitted by guinea worm? A. Dracunculiasis. B. Typhoid fever. C. Malaria. D. Cholera. In this question, the correct answer is A. Dracunculiasis. Dracunculiasis is a nematode disease transmitted by this nematode called guinea worm. So this disease affects human beings, and when guinea worm come in contact with human, or when guinea worm get into the body system of human being, it will now cause this disease called dracunculiasis. The next question says, which of the following causes filariasis? A. Wuchereria bancrofti. B. Brugia malayi. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is C. All of the above. There is a nematode disease called filariasis. Studies have shown in nematology that this disease is caused by different nematodes such as Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia malayi, and other organisms. This disease called filariasis is caused by different species of nematodes. The next question says, which of the following causes root knot disease of tomato? A. Melidogony species. B. Plasmodium. C. Amoeba. D. Paramecium. In this question, the correct answer is A. Melidogony species. This nematode called Melidogony species is the nematode that causes what we call root knot disease of tomato. Plants also suffer from nematode diseases, and this root knot disease is one of the nematode diseases observed in plants. The next question says, a disease caused by Ascaris lumbricoides is best described as dash. A. Ascariasis. B. Malaria. C. Cholera. D. Typhoid fever. In this question, the correct answer is A. Ascariasis. Ascariasis is a disease transmitted by a nematode called Ascaris lumbricoides. Research have shown that this Ascaris lumbricoides is one of the parasitic nematodes that cause problem in human body system. So when this nematode gets into the body system of a human, it will now cause this disease called Ascariasis. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of Ascariasis? A. Abdominal pain. B. Bowel obstruction. C. Malabsorption. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. When an individual is affected by this disease, he or she will experience abdominal pain because this Ascariasis is a worm disease. So this brings abdominal pain, and studies have shown that this parasite can accumulate so much in the intestine in such a way that there will be a difficulty in the flow of things in the bowel. So a lot of these nematodes can accumulate in the intestine, and when the level of this accumulation becomes so high, they can cause what we call bowel obstruction. And studies have shown that an individual can experience malabsorption when he or she is suffering from this Ascariasis. All these things are symptoms of Ascariasis in people. The next question says, the causative agent of enterobiasis is called dash. A. Pinworm. B. Guinea worm. C. Okonsaka. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Pinworm. This nematode called pinworm causes a disease called enterobiasis, and studies have shown that this disease can disturb people when they get affected. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of enterobiasis? A. Itching around the anus. B. Restlessness. C. Sleeping difficulty. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many symptoms of this disease called enterobiasis, and one of the symptoms of this disease is itching around the anus. Research have shown that the parasitic worm that causes this disease usually lay eggs close to the anus. The female worm lays eggs within the anus. So when these eggs are laid, it will now cause itching, and this disease can make someone restless because of this itching issue, and this disease can also bring difficulty in sleeping. All these things are different symptoms of this nematode disease called enterobiasis in people. The next question says, which of the following diseases is caused by trichinella? A. Malaria. B. Trichinosis. C. Typhoid fever. D. Chickenpox. In this question, the correct answer is B. Trichinosis. Trichinosis is a disease caused by a nematode called trichinella. So this trichinella is responsible for this disease called trichinosis in people. The next question says, which of the following is a symptom of trichinosis? A. Diarrhea. B. Abdominal pain. C. Vomiting. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many symptoms of this disease called trichinosis, and one of these symptoms is diarrhea. When an individual is suffering from this nematode disease, he or she can experience diarrhea. He or she will experience abdominal pain. In a lot of cases, the person will vomit. All these things are different symptoms of this nematode disease called trichinosis in people. The next question says, trichinosis is also known as dash. A. Guinea worm. B. Trichinellosis. C. Malaria. D. Typhoid fever. In this question, the correct answer is B. Trichinellosis. This disease called trichinosis is also known as trichinellosis. The next question says, the hookworm responsible for ankylostomia is called dash. A. Ankylostoma duodenale. B. Salmonella typhi. C. Plasmodium falciparum. D. Rhizopus nigricans. In this question, the correct answer is A. Ankylostoma duodenale. Ankylostoma duodenale is the nematode responsible for a disease called ankylostomiasis. This disease is one of the diseases transmitted by nematodes in people, and research have shown that this disease can disturb individuals suffering from it seriously. If this is the first time you are watching our video, If this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study all the topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also make your comments in this video.